Lolo has definitely set a career path, but public office isn't just for her yet. Sofia Parojinog clarified on her Instagram account that she won't be running for office in 2022. Being a Politiko is in her genes. Pia is the daughter of detained former Osamis City Vice Mayor Nova Princess Parojinog. Her lolo is slain Osamis City Mayor Aldong Parojinog. But on her IG account, Pia said it's a negative feat for her now. She's busy with her showbiz career. In April 2020, she signed a contract with Asterisk Entertainment, making her one of its rising stars. She recently deleted her photos on Instagram, sending a message that she is on a fresh new start. Pia, however, retained this December 2015 photo with this caption.
Thank you for watching Politiko TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.